Hi everyone, the purpose of this video is to give you a solid foundation in Unity editor. By the end of this video, you will know how to navigate the scene, how to customize your game object, how to manipulate objects like a pro, and even get started with your first C# script. So, my name is Anil Kumar and let's dive in. So, we will create a new project from here and then we will select the edited version. From the templates, I will be selecting this 3D built-in render pipeline to make things simple and then create. When you launch Unity, you are greeted with a fully customizable workspace. And here are 4 must-know panels. The number 1 is hierarchy. Think of this as your scene's table of contents. Everything in your scene, cameras, lights, models, lives here in a neat parent-child tree. Then we have scene view and game view. The scene view is your 3D sandbox for positioning or editing any object. And then we have the game view. The game view shows exactly what your player will see when you hit the play button. You can also change the aspect ratio. You can use the simulators to view your game in a particular device. If your device is not listed here, you can install additional devices. And you can, if you want to view the game in a maximized window, you can select this play maximized from here. Or if you want to see in a focused window, then you can use the play focused. Hit play button and see. The next window is inspector. When you select any object, it shows you all the tweakable properties related to that object: components, renderer, transform, everything. And then we have project. This is your asset library. All the models, textures, scripts, materials we can add here, and we organize them in such a way that we never lose track of a single file. Now let's explore the scene camera controls. The first thing we can do is pan. Hold the middle mouse button and drag to slide your view horizontally or vertically. You can zoom in and you zoom out using the mouse wheel. And to orbit around, hold the alt and left mouse button and you can drag to rotate around your pivot. To focus on a particular item, you can select the item and then hit F key. Now it's time to move, rotate or scale objects. To select an object, just left click on any object, and to move it around, press W to enable these handles by which we can move them. To rotate, press E, and now you can rotate it to any axis. To scale, select the object again and press R, and you can use these handles to scale it up or down. If you want to scale it uniformly, then you have to hold this central cube, and now you can scale it in a uniform manner. And now is the time to write our first C# script, and we will apply that script on this object. So go into your assets and create a scripts folder, and in there right click and create your first C# script. Select this mono behavior script, rename it to whatever you like, press enter, and it will open the script in an editor. So we have two methods here. We do not need the start for now. This update method is automatically called once per frame. Okay, so our idea is that when this script will be applied on any object, that object will start to rotate. Okay, so we will first add the rotation speed, let's say 50. Transform, we know that every object has a transform property. We can see this in the inspector window. And we will discuss other properties like the vector object in our later videos. Script is ready. Now we need to apply this script to the object. So in the inspector window you can see the rotate script is applied, and this is the transform object which this script will communicate to. Okay, now let's play. See, our object is moving now, so script is working fine. Thank you very much.